بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Hello guys, and very good morning to everyone. Today we are discussing about MCC panel. So what is MCC? MCC Motor Control Center. Okay, so today I will tell you how MCC working and MCC for what purpose we are using, and the incomer coming to the MCC and the outgoing to the field inside the MCC. Different circuits we are discussing today. So first of all, I will show you here the incomers. This is our incomers from the government or from the generator. So it's coming total 4 cable. See, yeah, it's you can see here, this one is space yellow, this one red pass, green pass, this one is neutral, and this all cables is single core 630 mm square. Okay, so you can see here, this is our incomers and the earthing. Also one earth coming from the generator and one earth is going to outside to the field, so we connect it here. You can see out down here there's too many cables, and this is the back side of the MCC. You can see many cables. First of all, we will discuss here also the bus bars. It's connected through this 4 cable is connected through the bus bar. This bus bar, total we have a 4 bus bar. Okay, this white color, the match color is coding is I think a little bit different, but this black is neutral. So here is the white color is neutral, 1 pass, 2nd pass, 3rd pass, total 3 pass and 1 neutral. And this is the bus bar is going through all MCC coding here. So now you can see we are taking incomers from here. It is going to the front side of the circuits. You can see here many circuits. You will see here. That is huge. See, this one for the emergency purpose. We connected sometimes if there is any failure. You need to connect with the generator. If it is connected to government, if it is connected to generator, so it's fine. For emergency purpose we can use. You can see 3 core we connected for the motor purpose. So this all MCC mostly especially we are used for the for the motor purpose. Look here, this is the star delta connection motors. 3 cables up, 3 cables down. This one is going to the field here, outside to the field to the motor, and this cable is coming from the front side the circuits. This one is control circuits, control wiring for the PLC. You can see here, and so all almost same. You can see here or other anyone. See, all connected back side. It's coming from the circuit. I will show you a little bit clearly. You see the main incomer is coming from that side. It's coming like this. So from here already take 3 cables, one pass, 2 pass, 3 pass. There's 1 neutral. It's coming here. It's going to the inside to the circuit. After the circuit, outgoing is coming here. This is the 6 cable for 1 motor, started the motor. This the outgoing cables is going like here, outside to the field, and also this one is connected to the circuit. PLC is connected to the PLC HMI screen. You can see from here. So this is our total MCC from the back side. Now I'm showing from the front side. You can see we need to close all the cable, all the door for the safety purpose. To close, you can see here. So this is the front side. All the bed light we put it for safety purpose here. So these start here from the energy meter. This is the energy meter. It's showing the power watt hour. This one is the war active power. This one the active power. Okay, it's the power factor 0.85. War active power. Sorry. This one the frequency 50 hertz. Now this is the total power, the voltage, and if you want to check the current, you can see the current. This one the voltage, single phase 231, two phase 400. See the current is 690. The second one, the third one. Okay, this one is showing now the power is switch on. Okay. This one for the fault, this one for the open, close. You can see here the MCC. So from the this one like for the one motors, this one for the other motor circuit, this one for the other motor circuit. Everyone is different. You can see here already I removed the padlock, just showing. So you can see here this is the star delta connection. This one is coming from the main bus bar. To this one to the CT current transformer. After that this one total 3 transformer because C1 2 3 sorry, and this one also for total single phase. Also you can check, and overall also you can see here this is the AMPR electronic motor protection relay, the fuses, star connection, star delta connection. See 3 wire will come here. So from here, from this main contactor, it will go directly to the back side to the connector. This one we will take from here for the delta purpose here, and this one also 3 cables, 1 pair, 3 pairs. It will go to the connector back side, and this 3 will come here for the star purpose. You need to short these 3 contactors. You can see, and this is the control wires. You can see it's going to the back side to the PLC relays timer switch. This one the main MCC. This one is the main MCCB. And look at here. This is the control. From here you can control. You can trip, display, everything you can see here. Okay, so this is the star delta connection for the motors. You can see it's very clear and very easy, correct? So now I'm going to show you some different. Okay, this one is for the single delta. So here very simple star delta connection. So 3 phase coming from the bus bar. From the top, the outgoing is contactor. This is the EMPR I mentioned already. This APR connected here, it's coming here. So from here you can control, you can reset everything from here, but it is spare. We are not using this one. So this is the CT relay, fuses 3 ampere, and outgoing here is crossing the AMPR, then crossing the CT, is going to outside to the connector to the back side, and after that it's going to the field for the motor purpose. So all I think is same. You can see we have a different. I will show you all the motors. For the protection purpose, for the safety purpose, you need to lock here. Then you need to put the padlock. Look at here, all here. It's very clear, very simple. This one is we are using for the motor control center here, right? But if you need like for residential, like for your office purpose or something, you can put some breaker like a 4-core or a single core. You can put here. So you will just take the neutral and 1 phase, and you can connect to the your home, for the home purpose, for the office purpose. You can connect, but especially is designed for the motor. So this motor you can see here, also here, and also you need to put some fire extinguisher in the MCC. because for the safety purpose, if any fire, you need to control. So this is overall review for the MCC. If you like the video, thank you so much. If you like the video, kindly subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you so much.